Oh, here it comes. Holy shit, look at that. We gotta go.
Oh my God! It just passed. Oh my God! Did you see that? The whole house came apart.
I opened the back door up when I went back inside, and it snatched the door out of my hand. I screamed for the family to get up underneath the bed, the couch or something. And so they laid down in front of the couch, and I jumped up on top of it, and I pulled it over on top of them. And when I done that, I laid down beside them, and it wasn't 15 seconds. We was in the yard. All I remember is hitting my head on something, and I woke up, and it was insulation.